What's up, guys? Today is an extremely hot day here in the beautiful city of Krakow, Poland. I'm right now on the main market square called Krakow, and today the Polish police are hosting some sort of events, and let's take you around and I'll show you what it looks like here today. So they have some nice BMW bikes on display. They got a 1250 RT BMW.
O tym wejdzie. Tak, tak.
Really nice. This is the emergency number 112. These helmets are made in Italy and partially funded by European Union. Really nice bikes. And here we have some Polish police vehicles. Kia. Another Kia. They like Kias. And up at the castle, I just came back from Wawel Castle, and up there they were having I don't even know what it's called, but when they are awarding the police servicemen and women awards. So there was like hundreds of cops up there. They're all standing in formation. It's so hot that some of them even like had to step out of line and get treated, and they're passing around water to them during the ceremony. And then at the end there was a big parade, so I filmed that for my other channels, which is called Epia Media. I will link it here. Also I'll put some footage here. And yeah, so they're just here spreading some awareness, and it's mostly directed towards kids, and there's like games and stuff happening for them at the riverside. So there's two of these events happening simultaneously. It's really cool. I came here earlier. I got a free hat. I got a lanyard. It's pretty dope. But yeah, let's take a look at these bikes again. They're so cool. Yeah. Yeah, so today I woke up a little bit late. I woke up at like 7:30, 8 o'clock. I wanted to go to gym 6 o'clock in the morning, but I overslept. I just had breakfast and then I came to the city, and ever since I've been filming for my other channel that event I was telling you about. And yeah, now I'm here. It's still very hot, and yeah, I'll let you know how the rest of the day goes. I'll keep you updated. Today's video might be a little bit shorter than usual. Excuse me. Hey, could you please hold my camera for me and film me here? Okay. Thank you very much. I'll take a screenshot. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. Okay.
A weź Szymuś też. To są takie nowoczesne.
Very busy here. Let's see if there's any cool goodies that I can get. Some more goodies.
More running. Yeah.
Interesting goodies. They're sweets. Hello. Does he have a name?
His?
Yeah.
Inspector Babelek.
Inspector Babelek.
Yeah.
That's cute. Is this free to take? Could I take a magazine?
You can take it.
Thanks so much. Guys, got a magazine here. This one's talking about something in the Ukraine as well. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Is this Inspector Wawel?
Yes.
Okay.
Nie, this is policja.
Policja. This is policja.
Oh, okay. So they're different.
Yes,
Mrs.
Mrs.
this is the head of Inspector Wawel. This is the costume.
That's cool. Thank you so much. Guys, as you can see, they have their mascot here, Inspector Wawel. I think it's way too hot to actually wear that right now for anyone. So yeah, cool stuff. Alright guys, so I'll catch you later. I'll keep you updated with my day. See ya. Lesser Poland Police. Lesser Poland Police. Malopolska Policja. Check out this, guys. He gave me a cool pen. That cup was awesome because when I first arrived earlier this morning, when they were setting up, there was these hats on the table, and I was like, yo, can I take a hat? And he said, no, just wait, because they were taking photos of them. And then like 2 minutes later, I see people start grabbing these hats, and I'm like, oh, okay, there goes my chance to get a hat. He grabbed one and held it back, and then he saw me and he gave it to me, because I had asked him previously and he remembered. Like, really nice guy. So yeah, really fun. I love to do those things. So in the future of these sort of daily vlogs that I'll be doing, you will see more of these sort of things. I like to find them in Krakow, keep up to date with what's happening in Krakow, and go to those cool events. So there's another one happening at the riverside, so I'm gonna go check it out. But that one is more directed for kids. Like, there's some sports games there for the kids, etc. So I'm not too sure. I'm gonna go on Carrefour and get something to drink. Mocny gaz. Dzień dobry. It's so nice and cool inside here. Alrighty, so far so good. They haven't yelled at me. Let's get something to drink. They have, this is called Black. It's an energy drink. I think I'll get this 4 Move. Has vitamins and minerals. That looks like a Prime energy drink, doesn't it? So yeah, I got this 4 Move. Let's take it. Proszę.
Dobre, to wszystko?
Tak. Po kartę proszę.
Zapłaty 5,50.
Czyste?
Tak.
Super. Dziękuję, do widzenia.
Cenię i zapraszam.
Yeah, so I got my juice. 5 Polish zloty. 5 Polish gold coins. Alright guys, so I'll enjoy this. I'll catch you later. Alright guys, so I'm back on my bike. I'm heading to the second location, which is at on the riverside. So the riverside is divided into a few segments, and they're called boulevards. I don't know the names, but in between each bridge there's a different boulevard. So I'm heading to one of those boulevards now, and it's the second location. I don't think I'll be able to see much there, but after that I'm just gonna head home, heat up some lunch, and get to work on these videos that I made up there at the castle and post them on my second channel. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So I'll see you later. Take a look at the beautiful scenery here. A lot of people out for lunch, enjoying the good weather. It's awesome. See you guys. What's up guys? I'm back home.
Lift going up.
Lift going up. I'm back home. I'm gonna have a nice cold shower because it's freaking hot today. I'm gonna have some lunch. I'll show you guys what we're eating today. Alright guys, I'm back home now, and I wanted to include this in one of my previous videos, but I forgot. So here we are. I wanted to show you what we're eating these days, and we're using this service called Body Chief. And we have chosen the selection to do 5 meals a day, 3,000 calories. So yeah, 5 meals. So for example, this was breakfast number 1, and this was pancakes. There's still some left. Pancakes with some jam and some sort of cream. And then there's the second breakfast, and today it's a salad with eggs. So that's what I'm gonna eat now. And then they give you a lunch, and today's lunch is turkey with sweet and sour sauce. And then there's dinner, and dinner is kasha couscous with hummus. So some of them are vegetarian, some of them have meat, and also you can decide exactly what you want. If you're on a sports diet, you can get meals catered to that. If you're a vegan, a vegetarian, you can get meals catered to that. So pretty cool service. Makes life a lot easier. Don't have to think about and worry about and go to the grocery and all that kind of stuff, grocery store, to pick up and choose food and cook. And so we're saving a lot of time. And of course it costs money, but so does buying all the ingredients, and time as well. Time is money, so this makes life a lot easier. So yeah, I'm gonna eat the salad now,